Buying Dogecoin. Purchasing Dogecoin (DOGE) in the US is a straightforward process with many reliable exchanges and platforms offering the option to buy this cryptocurrency. Understanding the buying process, payment methods, and choosing the right platform will help you acquire Dogecoin safely and efficiently. 1. Choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Select a trustworthy exchange that supports Dogecoin. Some popular platforms for buying Dogecoin include Coinbase, a user-friendly platform with high security and an easy-to-navigate interface. Binance US offers low fees and a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin. Kraken, known for its security features and extensive range of supported cryptocurrencies. Gemini, a regulated US exchange that offers Dogecoin and a secure trading environment. 2. Set up an account and verify your identity. After selecting an exchange, sign up using your email and create a secure password. Complete identity verification, KYC, by submitting required documentation, ID, address verification, etc., to comply with US regulations. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for additional security. 3. Deposit funds into your account. Bank transfer, a common method with lower fees for depositing USD into your account. Credit card, debit card, quick but often comes with higher fees. Many exchanges accept card payments, wire transfer, or PayPal. Some platforms allow these options depending on availability. 4. Buy Dogecoin. Once your account is funded, navigate to the Buy section of the exchange and select Dogecoin, DOGE. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to purchase or the value in USD. Confirm the details and complete the purchase. 5. Store your Dogecoin securely. Exchange wallet. Most exchanges offer a built-in wallet for storing your Doge, but this can be less secure than other options. Personal wallet. For better security, transfer your Dogecoin to a hardware wallet or software wallet. 6. Monitor your investments. Cryptocurrency prices can be volatile, so it's important to keep track of your investment. Use apps or exchange platforms to monitor the value of Dogecoin and set alerts for price changes. In conclusion, buying Dogecoin in the US is easy with the right platform and a verified account. Be sure to use secure wallets to protect your investment and regularly monitor the market for price fluctuations.